2-in-1 digital thermometer. For body and surface temperature. Set includes R. Standard packaging. English manual. And the body forehead thermometer. It is designed for non-contact temperature measurement to human to avoid cross-infection. To operate, open the battery cover and load 2 AAA batteries. Pull the trigger to start up the meter. Green backlight, if the temperature is within 34.8 to 37.4 degrees Celsius. For low fever, the backlight will turn orange. Red backlight means high fever. To change the measurement mode, press the body or surface button. For temperature unit, press Set button to enter F1, then press the up and down button. Enter F5 by pressing Set button. Then press up and down to select English or Chinese language. To view the stored data, press the up and down button. You can store up to 32 measurement data.